Now, coming to 23rd question. This question is direct substitution of the values. Sin 30 1 by 2, tan 45 1 minus cos 62 అలా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకో రూట్ 3 బై 2 కదా. సో అలా పెట్టుకుంటే వెళ్ళిపోవడమే. చూడండి ఇక్కడ కింద రాస్తాను 23rd క్వశ్చన్. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60. Secant 60 is root 3 by 2. Cosecant 60 will be 2 by root 3. Divided by secant 30 again 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1. Now we have to take LCM. Okay, here LCM will be 2 root 3. So this will become 1 by 2 into 2 root 3. LCM method చేస్తున్నాను. Next 1 into 2 root 3 minus 2 by root 3 into 2 root 3 whole by 2 root 3. LCM ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే వస్తుందో ఆ నెంబర్తో నేను ఈచ్ టర్మ్ మల్టిప్లై అండ్ డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటాను. Whole divided by again 2 by root 3 into 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2 into 2 root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 whole by 2 root 3. So 2 2 gets cancelled. Here root 3 gets cancelled. 2 by root 3 2 by 2 by 2 root 3 whole by 2 root 3 gets cancelled. Here root 3 gets cancelled. 2 2 gets cancelled. The final answer is root 3 plus 2 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus 3 root 3. అంటే 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now what I have done is rationalization. So into 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 4 are 8, 8 3 is 24. By a square minus b square. 27 minus 16, 11. So this will become 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3. 43 minus 24 root 3. So option B is correct answer. And 24 is very similar to the above question. We just have to substitute the values. Cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by secant 30 is cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 will be 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 will be 2 because sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So it will become reciprocal when it goes to numerator. Root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So that means root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So let me check the options. No. That means we have to do a rationalization. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just multiply it with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Or I can rationalize this also. Okay. No matter anything is correct. Root 3 into 2 root 2. 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 by a square minus b square. 2 root 2 whole square is 8. 2 root 6 whole square means 2 square 4. Root 6 square 6. 24. So if I can take 2 as common in the numerator, it will become root 6 minus root 18 by 8 minus 24 minus 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So ఈ మైనస్ లోపల పోతే ఏమవుతుంది నాకు ఇంటర్చేంజ్. రూట్ 18 మైనస్ రూట్ 6 by 8. రూట్ 18 9 2s are. That means 3 root 2. It's direct calculation. 4 into cot square 1 45 is 1. 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4 minus secant square 60. 4. Because secant 60 is 2. So both gets cancelled. Plus sin square 60. 3 by 4. Because sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Plus cos square 90. 0. So answer is 3 by 4. Okay. Then tan x is equal to sin 45 plus cos into cos 45 plus sin 30. Sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus this value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. If tan x is equal to 1, x is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Then I'll do this last question. Sin 2 theta is equal to sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. So sin 2 theta is equal to sin 60 root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. So sin 2 theta is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4 1 by 2. That means sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. If I want to find theta, I should not have any sign. So what I'll do is I'll write this 1 by 2 as some sin 30. So sin gets cancelled. 2 theta is equal to 30. That means theta is equal to 15 degrees. Option A. Now there is the value of theta. Okay. That's it. Thank you.